how to add Firefox browser to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, on your home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on Wallpaper Install. From here, tap on the lock screen panel. Then we go to the left or the right corner and select a shortcut. So let's say I want to replace the left shortcut, so tap on that. And by default, this left shortcut will be a phone application, so you want to tap on that. And then we scroll down the list and select Firefox. Here it is. Now, if you cannot find Firefox in here, that means you haven't installed Firefox on your device. You can do that from your Google Play Store or Samsung Galaxy Store. Okay, so once you have Firefox added, then tap on Done. And if you go back to your lock screen, you can now quickly launch Firefox directly from the lock screen. So we need to enter in the PIN or password so we can access it. And that's it. Now, if you don't have Firefox, you can go to Play Store and then tap on the search button at the bottom. In the text search box, type in Firefox on the keyboard and tap on the search button. Here you can simply tap on Open or Install if you haven't already installed Firefox. Here it also asks me to update to the latest version. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.